Coffee with AhHa Broadway with another 2-minute acting tip. This tip is called the moment before. Now you would think that's pretty self-explanatory. It means the moment before whatever it is you're doing in your scene. Why is this important? We never want to just be standing there in our own heads thinking, okay, this person's going to come on, then I'm going to say this. You need to be actively involved in your character. That's what we say we're always trying to tell the truth. So, for example, if you're making an entrance through a doorway into, let's say, an apartment scene, why are you entering? Are you coming home from work? Did you just go to the grocery store? What kind of mood are you in when you're entering? Did you just win $50 on a lottery ticket? Or did you have a really bad day at work so you come home grumpy? Doesn't matter what happens after. This is all about the moment before. Maybe you're running across the stage because you thought you heard a phone ring. Or you're playing tag with your brother. So these are all going to change how you tell the story. The script itself will do its job of telling the story by us building on our characters, layering moments before. We just bring more truth and honesty to our performance. It helps the audience to believe that we are in the moment. And to be in the moment, you have to be in the moment before. See you next time, everybody.